You're at work. It's morning, and people are already talking, asking for help, and rushing to finish tasks. In this video, you will see short conversations between coworkers, meetings, deadlines, lunch breaks, and small office moments that happen every day. The English is simple, and the conversations are spoken slowly and clearly, so you can follow the story easily. While you watch, try to answer this question. What machine is not working in the morning? Ready? Let's watch the conversations. Morning small talk with colleagues.
Wait, why is the coffee machine making that sound?
What sound?
That sad sound, like grr, grr.
Oh, no, not today. Please, not today.
I pressed the button. Nothing happened.
Try again.
I tried 3 times.
You're joking.
I wish I was joking.
I can't start work without coffee.
Same, my brain is still sleeping.
Maybe it's empty.
The machine or your brain?
Very funny.
Look, there's a red light.
That's not good.
Maybe it needs water.
Wait, don't touch it. Last time you touched it, it stopped working.
That was not my fault.
You pushed every button.
I was exploring the options.
You broke the options.
Okay, relax. I'll fix it.
That's what you said last time.
Hey, it's working.
Really?
Yes, I hear the coffee.
Oh, thank goodness.
First cup is mine.
Excuse me, I was here first.
I fixed the machine.
You almost killed the machine.
Small detail.
Fine, take the first cup.
Thank you.
But if the coffee tastes bad, that's your fault.
Deal.
So, ready for another long day?
After this coffee, maybe.
Same. Without coffee, I would go back to bed.
Don't say that. The boss is behind you.
Wait, what?
Relax, I'm joking.
One day that joke will kill me.
Not before your coffee.
Asking for help on a task.
Hey, do you have a minute?
Depends. Is this a small favor or a 2-hour problem?
I hope a small favor.
That already sounds dangerous.
I'm trying to finish this report, but something is wrong with the numbers.
What kind of wrong?
Very wrong. Like, this makes no sense wrong.
Let me see.
Here, I added everything, but the total is smaller than the numbers above.
Wait, how is that possible?
That's why I called you.
Did you check the formula?
I think so.
Think so is not very confident.
Okay, I did not check.
I knew it.
Look, I've been staring at this for 20 minutes. My brain stopped working.
Move over.
Thank you. You're saving my life.
Relax. It's just a spreadsheet, not surgery.
It feels like surgery.
Aha! Found it.
Already?
Yeah, this cell is wrong.
That tiny thing caused all this?
One wrong formula. Boom. Chaos.
I can't believe it.
There. Fixed.
Wait, the numbers match now.
Magic.
You're a genius.
No, I just checked the formula.
Still, thank you. I owe you.
Good.
What do you mean, good?
Next time I need help, you bring coffee.
That's fair.
Actually, make it 2 coffees.
Wow, the price of help is going up.
Inflation.
Explaining a delay to your manager.
Hey, do you have a minute?
Sure. Is this about the client report?
Yeah, about that.
Don't tell me it's finished already.
I wish.
Okay, that tone worries me.
The report is a little late.
A little late?
Maybe 1 day late.
1 day?
I know. I'm really sorry.
What happened?
Yesterday, the system crashed.
The system crashed?
Yeah, and I lost part of the data.
Wait, you lost everything?
No, not everything. Just the last section.
That's the most important part.
I realized that too late.
So what's the situation now?
I rewrote most of it this morning.
Most of it?
I just need a few more hours to finish. I didn't want to send something messy to the client.
I appreciate that.
I can send the final version this afternoon.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm double-checking everything now.
All right. Quality is important.
Thank you for understanding.
Just keep me updated.
Of course.
And next time, save your work more often.
Trust me, I learned my lesson.
Good.
I pressed save 5 times today already.
That's the spirit.
Giving feedback to a coworker.
Hey, can I tell you something about the presentation?
Uh-oh, that sounds serious.
No, it's not bad.
You sure? When people say that, it's usually bad.
Relax. The presentation was good.
Good or good?
Good.
Okay, I'll take that.
The slides were clear, and the client looked interested.
Really? I thought they looked bored.
No, I think they were just quiet.
Maybe.
There's just one small thing.
I knew it.
Wait, don't panic.
I'm already panicking.
You spoke a little fast.
Fast?
Yeah, at one point I was like, wait, slow down.
Oh no.
The information was good, but it came very quickly.
I always do that when I'm nervous.
I understand. Presentations are stressful.
Did the manager notice?
I don't think so.
Good.
Maybe next time just pause a little.
Like breathe?
Exactly. Breathing helps.
Wow, great advice.
I'm serious.
I know.
Honestly, you did well.
Thanks for telling me.
I hope it didn't sound mean.
No, it's helpful.
Good.
Next time, if I start talking too fast?
I'll cough loudly.
Perfect. That will definitely relax me.
Disagreeing politely in a meeting.
So, my idea is simple. We launch the campaign next Monday.
Next Monday?
Yes, quick and efficient.
I'm not sure about that.
Not sure? Why?
I like the idea, but the timing feels a bit rushed.
Rushed? We've been planning this for weeks.
True, but the design team finished the visuals yesterday.
That's enough time.
Maybe, but the client hasn't approved them yet.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I talked to them this morning.
That's new information.
Exactly.
So, what do you suggest?
Maybe we launch the following week.
Another week? That's a long delay.
It gives us time to check everything.
I see your point.
I'm not against your idea. I just want to be careful.
Fair enough.
A bad launch could create bigger problems.
That's true.
And honestly, I don't want another Monday disaster.
Hey, that wasn't my fault.
The server crashed.
Okay, maybe a little my fault.
See?
All right, maybe waiting one more week is smarter.
Good. I promise I'm not trying to slow things down.
I know.
So, new plan?
Fine. The following Monday.
Great.
But if everything is ready earlier...
I knew you would say that.
Asking for time off.
Hey, do you have a moment?
Sure. What's up?
I wanted to ask you something.
That sounds serious.
Not too serious, just a small request.
Okay, now I'm curious.
I was wondering if I could take Friday off.
This Friday?
Yeah.
Any special reason?
My cousin is visiting from another city.
Oh, nice.
I haven't seen him in 3 years.
3 years? That's a long time.
Exactly. He's only here for 2 days.
I see.
I already finished most of my work for this week.
Really?
Yes. The report is done and the emails are scheduled. You planned this well. I tried.
What about the client call on Friday morning?
I asked Emma if she could join instead.
And?
She said yes.
Wow, you prepared everything.
I didn't want to cause problems.
I appreciate that.
So, is it okay? Honestly, it should be fine.
Really? Yes. Just keep your phone nearby in case something urgent happens. Of course, but hopefully nothing will happen. Thank you, I really appreciate it. No problem. I owe you one. Good. Wait, that sounds dangerous. Don't worry, I'll remember it.
Talking about workload stress.
Why are there so many emails this morning?
I stopped counting after 20.
20? I have 32.
Seriously?
Look, my inbox is screaming.
Monday is always like this.
It's not even 9:30 yet.
And we already look tired.
I am tired.
What are you working on today?
The client report, 2 meetings, and the new project plan.
Wait, all today?
Yes.
That's a lot.
Thank you for noticing my pain.
And the manager asked me for another presentation.
Another one?
Yep, by tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow?
That was my reaction.
Do they think we are robots?
If we were robots, we would work faster.
And we wouldn't need coffee.
Don't say that. Coffee is the only thing helping me.
Same.
Honestly, I feel a bit overwhelmed.
Me too.
Maybe we should tell the manager.
Or maybe we just survive the week.
That sounds less professional.
But more realistic.
True.
Okay, new plan.
What?
We finish one task at a time.
That's actually smart.
First task, coffee.
Finally, a plan I like.
Discussing a deadline.
Wait, the deadline is this Friday?
Yeah, why?
I thought it was next week.
Next week? No, definitely this Friday.
You're kidding.
I wish.
That gives us 4 days?
Actually, 3. Friday morning is the presentation.
That's worse.
How much have you finished?
About half.
Half?
Maybe a little less than half.
Okay, now I'm a little nervous.
Relax. I work fast under pressure.
That sounds risky.
It's my special skill.
Last time your special skill gave us a 2 a.m. work night.
And we still finished.
Barely.
All right, fair point.
What's missing?
The final analysis and the charts.
I can help with the charts.
Really?
Yeah, I'm faster with that.
That would save a lot of time.
Good. Then you focus on the analysis.
Deal.
And maybe start today?
I was planning to start tomorrow.
No, start today.
Okay.
If we finish early, we celebrate.
Celebrate how?
Leaving the office before 6 p.m.
Wow, big dreams.
Office lunch conversation.
Is that your lunch?
Yeah? Why are you looking at it like that?
Because it smells amazing.
It's just pasta.
Just pasta? That looks like restaurant pasta.
My sister made it.
Your sister is very talented.
Do you want some?
No, I don't want to steal your lunch.
You're staring at it.
I'm just appreciating it.
What did you bring?
A sandwich?
That sounds normal.
It was normal yesterday.
Wait, yesterday?
Yeah,
You're eating yesterday's sandwich?
it's still good.
Are you sure?
Probably.
That's not very confident.
Look, I was too tired to cook.
Fair.
And the line at the cafe downstairs is always crazy.
True. I waited 20 minutes last week.
For a sandwich?
Exactly.
Okay, now I feel better about mine.
You still want some pasta?
Just a small bite.
Here.
Wow, that's really good.
See?
I think your sister just saved my lunch.
Careful. Next time you'll ask her to cook for you too.
Honestly, I'm already thinking about it.
End of day wrap-up talk.
Finally, 5 o'clock.
5 already? I thought it was only 4.
Nope. The day is almost over.
Wow, today felt long.
Very long.
Did you finish the report?
Yes, I sent it an hour ago.
Nice.
What about your presentation?
Done, but barely.
Barely?
I finished the last slide 10 minutes ago.
That's still a victory.
I guess.
Any angry emails today?
Only 3.
Only 3? That's progress.
What about you?
1 confused client and 2 urgent messages.
Sounds like a normal day.
Exactly.
Are you staying late?
No way.
Same.
If I stay here longer, I'll start another task.
And we both know how that ends.
Working until 8.
Exactly.
So, escape now?
Escape now.
Good plan.
See you tomorrow?
Unfortunately, yes.
At least there's coffee.
True. Coffee makes everything possible.